Yo, what up? Good morning, guys. So it's still in the morning now. As you can see, the sky is overcasted and kawedha kari kuona sikangori so cool. Kawedha kematutu ina hangu niuri kuona kawedha ka ndekedu kuti timwe tea apa hatisi macouples aka ndike macouples. But anyways, guys, I'm here. As you can see, I'm walking and I stay in this area and my mom stays in this area. You understand? So we are going to run a road. So guys, the thing is like magesi akauya nezuro for about an hour only and then achibva aenda. So andina kwanisa kuziva kuti kuenda kwaita uku kutoendera tu here kana kuti apera pamba pandogara. Handangona ndakakwanisa kuvunza. And then I would say, let me go kumba kwa moms yangu nema solar ndinochaisa chi power bank rangu because my power bank you can last for 2 days uchaisa phone yako. When you understand wakachaisa rakazara and then kuti rizare foot it takes for about like maybe something like in one night effect. So guys, I found I'm going to charge my power bank. So power bank I charger last 2 days in the motor. And then gonna charge the phone yako zvakanakisa. So ndofara ngoti ndaka magesi pano yamanheru. I have to plug it manheru pa charger. And then maxen room karakazara. I should do that every day. And I need to kutenga solar kana chi. And then about my lights manje. And I need also kutenga my lights and I need also to analyze because I got some blue lights. My blue lights were anobakisa mumba zvineka udhimi kandi noda handisi munhu ada mabright lights kuti otherwise even yangu kune magetsi andotosarudza sei kunge ndakadzima malights because handisi munhu emabright lights, you understand, ndoda malights akadhima ari kawo sexy, you understand. So yeah, they use power bank also and you know last a whole night kuti asizombopera moti as long as rakazara, you understand. So yeah, now I'm going to my mama and I want to charge my power bank. But do see, just like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, walking distance. So Zandawi Panabana also, guys, quite a crisis. And the crisis is, you know, guys, which is also you know channel YouTube and I think everyone you know that. So what happens is, when you post a massive paper, when you are posting, you don't need noise. When I was looking for a house, check tanga and depend on the noise and the digger. Check it too, and it depends on music. You understand? So the crisis man now which can live zones of Panrugara, the Panama on the noise to that. Like I just stayed there for about 2 days now. Chirare papo. Pani noise, guys. If I tell you if I know there's a music from 6 a.m. even around 5, one hour about the TV next room. I'm not ceiling, right? So the noise is too much. Maybe next one about this. Look at them as a Bluetooth speaker, mazi what do you call them? Mazi what do you call them? Mazi bazooka, mazomba. Ekupengereka mamazi ya mazomba kadeso ya. Emachecha. Munalomukira with the speaker or rip full loud. Guys, I don't even know how to explain it. The funny thing is like opposite part andika. Funny church andika. Okay. Which is fine. Could maybe with a noise my Sundays only. And then after that after church you opposite match on futi mune munhu anomukira okuridza nozi anomukira okuridza futi radio eli maxen. Imagine like for around maybe 6 a.m. munhu atomukira kuridza radio iri pafull ndepota se apana sema mix radio inikatomukira kuridzwa iri pafull blast amana. Imagine amana full blast unge munhu akahosta party then the whole day apa next mangu kom zoti I can't even answer a call ndiri mumba because the noise inenge chitenge zipi ndiri kuridza radio yacho ari next wakuridza TV uko zvivana zvikuita noise zvivana zvikuchema zvikuscreama guys we're not talking about the radio only usiku ngonono iyo kuna unorodza ngonono dzekuti wakarara uri next room soka unenge uchinzwa magwirire kuti wega unoshamusika kuti boys munhu ari kuvibe ari pamushini here munhu anoita generator kuti chigayo wakarara so guys I'm not even liking the place at all. I'm not even comfortable with the place at all, guys. So I might move out as soon as possible, as soon as I'm going to start out the bond about rent yangu. But I'm going to start out. So I'm going to tell the landlord to return my money ASAP. And it's Zimbabwe too. Pane imwe yanogona kundisa. Yandarota andise. Akaraza kundisa yo, then I have no option. He have to return my money because I can't stay in a place like that. I'm a great. I need a peaceful place. I need a place that's so quiet, even though man, but the toilet is not that nice. Man, but Papa wants to you understand? I'm not feeling. Hey, I know you won't understand, guys, but if you're background, you will not also do some other you move a good in understand? So, you guys, I might move out as soon as possible. Or I don't know, man. If you're in a corner here in Kune nice room and stuff, please do update me because. I'm not even feeling the environment at all. I can't live on my noise. I can't live on my copyrights and stuff. You understand? So yeah, I'll keep on giving them updates. Yes. And there's about being wrong. It's now charging. This is a very good brand, Oraimo. Please check it out. And then solar, as you can see. Mamgaze. Damoga. Tobadena. The project that we are doing here. Look hutano on any green on a shisha. A project that we are. My man better Salamuri about it. What is a kumbari? Take a go on in Nata Murio. Vanaba trodzisa moto ndidzisembera kugeza gasira muchembera wangu vanaba rinorowesa pipi ndichidzisiro kani gasira mama urambe handiwe shamwari yamama asi ubva unogeza wa haunyare chingombiro gasira mama kusvikira wakuti asi iyo ndiwe shamwari yamama vona pane madota anofana wanga mutomufana kuti atagisa madota unza box repiece rotonti hari madota chimaisiwa mutoni kana chikari box tora chikari box chocho then chicheke uningine madota chidambure chitenge chidustpan like so upise madota guys so waramonibira ningina moms yeah sadaro precious makara yakunodaro yo handiyo ndiwe mwana musikane weduwe kenditanga ndabvisa ningiri rangu rinozonhuhwa rikunhuhwira stress of time momse rinozonhuhwa utsi utsatsatsa tiamana abvisa dera vana zvakanga semoto wangu kuita se kudzira Unoziva here makuromusha ndakuchikubatidza manje. So yeah, stay tuned. Komombe sikuverenga. Cow. Hello, cow. Why are you not reading? Cow. Cow. Mombe sikuverenga. Bozora mafuta angu. Ndinofanira kuromba kumbezi ndinenda romba kwangu. Munzwa here. Precious. Precious. Yeah, cow dung man. Uzvinzwa. Yeah, cow dung. Ndazoona wai mchembere yangu nditi kana uri kumove out inogara kure nenu. Izvo songomuka everyday badembao sadza nungu inodya koko. Pane kutama kwachirawo mana. Izvo so. Mdarangu akabva south, mdarangu is a truck driver, right? Akauya nemabhisiketi achinzi mwana ari kuchikoro emabhaketi aya mazombe. Let me show you mwana wacho ari kuchikoro zvaakutoita izveso. Uyu ndiye mwana wacho ari kunzi mwana kuchikoro. Atobiwa neni? Tomavhura izvo. Imose rero ndisiri kuchikoro. Saka ndodzokera kuboarding ire ndidya mabhisiketi atengwa namabongo. Zviriko here izvozvo. Saizvozvo muchembere yangu haikuenda kutauni. Ndasiyana pamabhisiketi. Then ndasiya power bank yangu pachaji. So chadzoka late. Kana kuzoti wabika chitime chebva chekubika ndochiketa. Izvo chiri around 8:80. Chitime chebva chekubika ndochiketa. Then I'll go there ndonodya. Maize tiu ndazokuratidza video rekuti kunoita grocery shopping mamazora chanokwate koko futi. Maize. So yeah, for now just make sure you stay tuned to watch the video to the end. But pasina chakawanda though. Ndakutodzokera padembango. I don't think if I'm gonna show you a lot. Koro kutokudzokera padeni. Kwandobara rent. So yeah. Make sure you stay tuned. You like, you comment, you share. Kamana. Mazibhiswa norwa moya. Abanonamira mazino. Ona. Ndaenda kinya. But anyways. Anybody need 10 steps ahead of them. Ndakarata kwa toothbrush yangu. Toothbrush yangu ndina bag. So what I'm gonna do is just go shop and face on road to go. When I saw that juice down. Don't take a Colgate. So since you need toothbrush, I'm gonna buy toothpaste. Those food numbers now. Clever, right? Ha.